We're operating in the beauty industry, and we are both a physical player but also an online player. Today it's about 35 stores, but we're looking into expanding that rapidly because we're seeing that the combination of physical stores and digital really works well for us. Today the business looks like 80% is online sales and 20% is physical stores. Online sales is a lot about logistics, and if you can't solve the logistics, you cannot grow. So for us, it has been super important to make the investment in time to be able to keep the foundation, to be able to keep on growing.
We of course need to extend the capabilities in the logistics due to the volume, the growth that we are having. That's the natural part, but we also need to meet the customer and really extend the customer experience in the best of ways.
So when we're going to expand automation, we look into a lot of systems, and when we look into which would be the best solution for us, we end up in Vanderlande.
I think the impressive part about Vanderlande is to be able to put everything together and now have a system that is much faster than the old automation that we have. Throughout the project, it has been a really good cooperation between Lyko and Vanderlande, and I think that one of the parts that is really interesting is that we have been able to match cultures.
Key benefits of a system is profitability, I would say. It's keep us more efficient and help us to reach our goal as a company with growth and profitability.
From what we see now is that the operators, it's so easy for them to adapt to the new stations. They can go in and basically we have given them 2 days of introduction and then they're off performing at full speed.
It's about automation and people, so you need to get the people on board as well because they are key to get the system to work, and I think they really love it now. I think the robotic picking is super interesting because it makes us be able to scale even more, and I think we need to scale even more and be more automated to be able to handle the growth that we are going for.
We always aim at optimizing our operation, regardless if we talk about online operations or logistics. You always need to be constantly improving, and the robots is a perfect example. Vanderlande did a great job guiding us and challenging us in how much of the assortment can be robot pickable. In the end, we ended up with a good solution. We always aim at sending as little air as possible with the trucks. That's why we also choose to go with different carton sizes of the carton closing machines. Of course, that is a challenge to find the right mix, but in the end, it's so much sustainable. It means that we're sending so many less trucks from the warehouse compared to our competitors. We've chosen this system for scalability, and we have the possibility to extend the solution in this warehouse, but it's also important for us to create like a blueprint, because we know that the next step will be a new warehouse.
For us, it's super important that we have a system that we can keep on growing and can keep on optimizing, and I think this is a good solution for that.
To be able to be successful in automation project, you really know to know your domain. And that domain consists of both logistics and technology, and when you can get that together with also the operators and the humans in the warehouse, then magic starts to happen.
Vanderlande, moving your business forward.